Imagine using abstinence to become more satisfied in life. New studies indicate that fasting dramatically alters the dopamine landscape in your brain, impacting cravings and reward sensitivity. Is it possible that strategic deprivation can unlock a new level of control and contentment? Fasting can actually change how your brain experiences pleasure and desire. It all comes down to dopamine, a chemical in your brain that plays a big role in motivation, reward, and even addiction. Think of dopamine as the feel-good messenger. When you do something enjoyable, like eating tasty food or achieving a goal, your brain releases dopamine, making you want to repeat that behavior. But what happens when this system gets out of balance? Constant exposure to highly palatable foods or addictive substances can flood your brain with dopamine, making you crave more and more to get the same level of satisfaction. This can lead to overeating, addiction, and a loss of control. Here's where fasting comes in. When you fast, your body starts using stored energy, like fat, for fuel. This leads to changes in your metabolism, including lower glucose and insulin levels. These metabolic shifts can actually influence dopamine release in the brain. By reducing the constant stimulation of the reward system, fasting can help reset your sensitivity to dopamine. It's like taking a break from the noise to better appreciate the quiet. Our brains are incredibly adaptable. This ability to change is called neuroplasticity. Fasting can trigger positive neuroplastic changes in the areas of your brain that control desire and cravings. It's thought to help in synaptic pruning and can remodel neural circuits, potentially weakening the pathways associated with cravings and strengthening those linked to self-control. The potential benefits of this rewiring are significant. People report improved focus, better decision-making, and a greater sense of control over their impulses. Fasting may help reduce food cravings and even aid in recovery from addiction by addressing the underlying brain mechanisms that drive compulsive behavior. Of course, fasting isn't a magic bullet. It can be challenging, and it's not suitable for everyone. It's essential to approach fasting responsibly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Many questions remain unanswered. For example, we need more research on the long-term effects of fasting on the brain and how individual differences in genetics and lifestyle affect the response to fasting. It is also unclear how different fasting protocols influence brain activity uniquely and what specific types of cravings are most susceptible to fasting's effects. And also, can fasting improve other mental illness along with addiction? It is all yet to be discovered and researched. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to keep watching amazing videos exploring the science of the brain and behavior.